to buy a bike? Suzuki's the one, honey.
Around?
Yeah. Driving in two-wheel drive.
Whole thing, she kind of slipped it away from me.
He didn't just freaking. He wasn't going. Shithead go.
She's on the lawn, farting around. Julie, get back! Farting around.
Let her try and see if she'll go poo.
Today in this JTLC outdoors video, we're gonna go ice fishing again, but this time we're going during a snowstorm. It's gonna, when we're on the way, it's gonna rain for about an hour, and it's gonna go straight to snow, and it's gonna snow all the way till 9 a.m. the next morning. So we should get a lot of snow, and we already have 30 centimeters or something already on the ground, so it's gonna be good for a video we're gonna make later on.
Luke, when you turn 18 and get your first...
We're on our way to the lake. Bike stuck in limp mode.
You can get it out. You need to take out a wire or something and put it back in.
Yeah, that's... Your dad... No, your dad bought something to get rid of limp mode. Drive it all, or does it keep stalling?
Drive, I mean...
Let me try the fucking thing.
Yeah.
Jackie.
We're having difficulties with the bike. It's stuck in limp mode because the battery's dead, but if we can get it fixed, then should be able to get back on the road. But I'll
There. Get it in the 15 amp. One hand on top of the ratchet.
Yep.
I think I'm on there good.
So where you going, bud? Going up. Watch your knuckles.
Huh?
Watch your knuckles.
Yeah, I know.
Holy fucking He-Man put it on there. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Go down. I was using a big
And Andre with his big Popeye truck driver arms, eh?
I was using a thing to take off tires, and it slipped and I smashed my knuckles off the pavement.
Fun, eh?
Mm.
I did that for 20 years for a living, but home every night with bloody hands almost. It was toughen you up there.
if this doesn't crack it, you get a metal pipe or something. Oh, you got it.
It's called torque. Or, yeah.
Put the ratchet back on, bud.
What?
Put the ratchet back on.
Yeah, yeah.
Not rush on that big fucking loose over there. Just pulls.
Right.
Throw it on sale sometimes for 10 bucks. And I couldn't believe it. I don't believe it. I said, I did it by hand, bud. Boom. Take dust off by your fingers, bud. You got it. You're no fucking dummy, are you, bud?
Mm.
He's no fucking dummy, officer. I fucking promise.
Got it?
Gene's struggling to get in the four-wheel drive. It's
More dirt than oil in there.
fuck. You gotta hold it up.
I can, well,
Yeah, it's up with it. Takes about not quite half a liter.
You're not going to stick nothing icky in my mouth, are you?
Sit still, Butters. You ever see that one?
Oh, you're not going to stick nothing icky in my mouth, are you? Would I do that to you, Butters?
Oh, Butters. He's fucking hilarious.
You're going to stick something icky in my mouth, are you?
His father catches him. Butter in there, boys. Look at the muck inside your diff, dude.
Ooh.
Remember when you guys went mudding that time in them videos? That's what you did to my back diff. And the fucking didn't realize. And I blew the fucking big hole in her. And I went, holy Jesus!
That's wrong.
I was drying my ass off. I let a fire off and it blew a hole in her. True story. $600 fucking dollars. The only place to get it's at the Cowie dealer. Where's the ratchet, boys? Got it. I got it. You guys know what you're doing anyways here, right?
Yeah.
You know how many times I've done that? On my old bikes? Holy fuck. Pain in the fucking ass.
We got her to limp mode, so we're gonna be able to go to Theo Bub. Well, we're at the blizzard right now. The snow trail is about like 3 feet deep of snow. Our better judgment tells us to turn around. I'll tell you, we've had too many signs here, so give it a hand.
I mean, I will admit that was pretty easy to get up. Oh yeah, that's a big hill.
Mine flew up. I found it going up the hills easier than.
Be careful, man.
Yeah.
Are we staying the night out here?
No, but if we
Oh.
have to.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying? Oh, he's got no tail light, eh?
Or his daylights might not be on.
No, this tail light is not on.
Oh.
It's got a reflector. Hey! Put your headlights on!
What?
Put some headlights on! The snowmobile is just cranking around here.
Oh, no, he has one.
Oh, you got one, yeah. Deadly. You're looking at your reflector, eh?
Yeah.
Come on, I think I am, eh?
All this snow, we could build a pretty good shelter insulated, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah. Here we got the.
I mean, it's gonna be. It wouldn't be one of the most miserable sleeps we've ever had because it's even minus 40.
Yeah, that's why we're getting a big fire going, but we got the bike. It's right stuck. Went right into the ditch. Stuck in the snow. Not going to be able to record this segment because I have to pull him out of there, but that's all good.
Okay, buddy. Okay.
All right.
Okay, we're stuck in the ditch here. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get a bike out of this
next time.
Okay, here, I'm gonna get in position when I get, we're gonna hook it up, right? Yeah.
Give them a little overview of what the weather looks like.
I think they know it's snowing actually. Too much raining, please.
Bad out here today. Real bad. I mean, like, we've had, like, we're not trying to sound like a couple of, what's it called here, like, pansies or anything, but we've had, like, sometimes you just gotta take signs and just use them as, like, smart info, because both of us have been stuck 2 times now. Bike didn't even want to work when we got out here. It's just, you know what I mean? Bad omen, they call it.
You gotta get by him. Cut to the country road here. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Here she comes.
There we go.
Don't mess with this, let me tell you. Tell your brothers, your mothers, and your sisters. If you want to buy a bike, Suzuki's the one, honey. If you want a sponsorship by Suzuki, you got to send it away. Suzuki Canada.
There we go.
Try running your winch in there, Ponch.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. No, she's gonna kill your bike. Okay.
Yeah. You are?
I'm only a two-wheel driving
Wow!
Charlie was a schoolboy when he played 13 goes down. Hey, I'm two-wheel driving, you motherfucker!
Johnny was a schoolboy when he heard his first Beatles song. Love me do, I think it was, but from there it didn't take him long. Got himself a guitar, used to play every night. Now he's in a rock and roll outfit and everything's alright. Don't you know? Johnny told his mama, hey mama, I'm going away.
Yeah, this is an awesome bike.
I'm gonna hit the big time, gonna be a big star someday. Yeah. Mama came to
Why,
the
did you
door
bring
with
her
a
out?
teardrop in her eye. Johnny said, don't cry, mama,
Gotta do
smile
what you
and
gotta
wave
do.
goodbye. Don't you know? Yeah, yeah. Don't you know that you are a shooting star? Don't you know?
Ugh, stuck.
Ready? Grinding in the friggin' two-eyed back. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe something happened to the disc locker, eh?
Something went bang with the diff lock on, then I turned it off and everything went back to normal, so who knows?
Oh, she's on, bro. She's on. Ready?
Yep.
Hang on. You got a video going?
Yeah.
You have it off? Oh, yeah. I'll never buy another bike in my life without an make one. That's possible.
We got it out.
Yeah, to go back to two-wheel drive. I wasn't paying attention. I was blind. That's what happened. Ready?
Yeah. We made it back to the paved road, so well, we made it back to the paved road a while ago, but we got out of there. It's just getting too hairy for me to record because too dangerous, but we'll be home soon, very soon. If you're wondering what our plan was to go ice fishing, but the road kind of messed up that, so we just decided to turn around before something worse happens from what you've seen. Like the bikes getting stuck and almost going off the road, all that stuff. So
Yeah, and while we were there, there's going to be a huge winter storm, another like 30 centimeters of snow over top of that, so
yeah.
we could get stuck out there. It's supposed to be minus 20 plus wind chill minus 37. That's cold.